A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to reasoning class of grade 8 and this is our lecture number 1. Topic of today's lecture is analogy. So firstly, we shall discuss the meaning of analogy in detail. Then I shall discuss the assignment solutions which I have given you as homework. So let us get started with the introduction part of this concept, that is analogy. Analogy basically refers to correspondence. In these types of questions, dear children, a particular relationship is given and another similar relationship has to be identified from the alternatives provided. So basically analogy refers to correspondence, and in the questions based on analogy concept, a particular relationship is given and another similar relationship has to be identified from the alternatives provided. So let us get started with the assignment solutions now. This is the very first question of your assignment. Newspaper, press, and then cloth, and what is supposed to be filled in the place of this question mark. Firstly, dear children, we need to understand the relationship between newspaper and press. So, as you all know that newspaper is prepared in a press, so cloth is manufactured in mill. So, in place of question mark, mill should come as its solution. And in this question, the options are also given to you. The very first option which is given to you is tailor. Second option is textile. Third option given to you is fiber. And last option given to you is mill. So, dear children, as I told you that newspaper is prepared in a press, we need to first understand the relationship between these two, and this is what the analogy is. Then, in the same way, we need to develop the relationship of cloth with any of these options. So, we have observed that as newspaper is prepared in a press, cloth is manufactured in the mill. So, D option is the correct option of this question number 1. So let us talk about now question number 2. This is the second question. Doctor is to nurse. What should come in place of question mark and then follower is given? The very first option is employer. Second option is leader. Third option is worker. And last option is manager. So, just as a nurse follows the doctor's instructions, so also a follower works as directed by the leader. So, B option is the correct option for question number 2. So, this is question number 3. Cattle is to herd, then sheep is to what? We are supposed to write what should come in place of question mark out of these options given to us. First of all, we need to understand the relationship between cattle and herd. So what is the relationship? Herd is a group of cattle. Herd is a group of cattle. Similarly, flock is a collection of sheep. So A option is the correct option. So what is the relationship between the given two? Herd is a group of cattle. Similarly, flock is a collection of sheep. So the correct answer is A option, that is flock. So this is question number 4. Moon is to satellite, then earth is to what? Question mark. First of all, we need to understand the relationship between first two things given to us, that is moon and satellite. So obviously, dear children, as you all are very well aware that moon is a satellite and earth is what? It is a planet. So, for question number 4, B option is the correct option, that is planet, as moon is a satellite and earth is a planet. So, B option is the correct option for question number 4. This is question number 5. Clock is to time, then thermometer is to what? These are the options: heat, radiation, energy and temperature. So dear children, as we all know that time is measured by using clock, so temperature is measured by using thermometer. So for question number 5, the correct option is D option. Let us move to now question number 6. Flower is to bud, then plant is to what? We are supposed to find out the relationship between flower and bud first. So what is the relationship between these two? From bud, flower is developed. So from seed, plant is developed. So I hope 6th question answer is also clear to you. That is 6th question answer is seed. From bud, flower is developed. From seed, plant is developed. So 6th question answer is A part, that is seed is the correct option. Let us talk about now the last question of this assignment. Oxygen burn, carbon dioxide is to what? First of all, understand the relationship between oxygen and burn. So dear children, oxygen helps in burning while carbon dioxide helps in or extinguishes fire. So as oxygen helps in burning, carbon dioxide extinguishes fire. So the correct option for question number 7 is the C option, that is extinguish. So I hope dear children, the concept taught by me in this lecture shall help you to complete this assignment in your notebook, and you can verify your answers from the assignment solutions discussed by me in this lecture, and still if you have doubt you can clarify your doubts in the online class. Thank you so much.